Okie dokie, here we go. We are doing the 2D flower print, but we're going to add a little kicker to it. We're going to add a third board with the water jug in there and seeing if we can't print all three boards and compare the whole. And we are using the Winchester Super X and 350 Legend. These are PowerPoints, 180 grain. Again, every deer we shoot does not look like that. But that's okay. So here y'all go. Let's see if we can get this printed and we'll bring it back to the table. Yeah, hopefully. All right, here we go. 350 Legend and Super X, the PowerPoint 180 grain, firing through a Savage axis. This is the 2D flower print with the bonus water jug on the end. And this is what we got going on. 1, 2, 3. Does it look like a keyhole? I don't know. I'm thinking. I have no idea. To be honest with you, maybe. I doubt it though. I mean, to be honest, I doubt it. But there we go. And then we got the little knock right there. That's what I'm saying, because that's more rounded. And I'm just thinking it just broke the wood the way it went. So there's one. There's your hole coming through. Nice little hole. Then after it hit the water, this is flour. The water's right here. So it goes through the flour, expands up like this, hits the brakes on the water, and pretty much does that right there. So it's not too bad for what it's doing. Again, this is the same day as all the other videos that the battery was dead. Let's just take a look. Like I said, the bullet hole is actually smaller than the bullet. Yeah. Anyways. If we go widest to widest, we are over an inch. But if we go more realistically, because it's breaking with the grain of the wood, that's why I'm saying that.
So here's the counter argument. Board number 3 has a round indention on it. Then you have board number 2, which was breaking with the grain of the wood, with the tape around it. So the board just rapidly expanded and contracted as the bullet passed through. And if you don't think that's possible, explain how in board number 1, the bullet hole is actually smaller than the bullet. And then again, when you also look at the relative placement of the bullet in each of the 3 boards, they were all in about the same place.
It's at about 4.5, just under 5. And then we really ain't got much of a hole here, but I'm going to go from indention to indention. And it's knocking about 6 on there. And then widest to widest. Again, we're over 7. 180 grains. Now it's got flour in it. Flour and water. It's a breaded bullet. So it's 180. And that's because it's got some of that flour and stuff in it. But they ain't losing much weight. I mean, you can tell it's all still there. It's not breaking off. It's rolling over is what it's doing. So that ain't too bad. Like I said, a 350 Legend. I am ready to ground check some whitetail with that. That's going to be a beautiful shoulder shooting bullet right there. As you see, yeah, we just went in. There's exit. And there's the exit there. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it keyhole. I just think it because it's breaking with the grain of the wood. That's why I'm going with the more narrow spot on that one, on the width of it, and then just an indention. So that's a pretty strong bullet. So there you go. That is the 2D flower with bonus water print. Thanks for watching.